Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Reflect Flow Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for any reason, whether they're not connecting to your device or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you can't get them fixed or you just decide you want to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, clear all the settings, so you can set these earbuds up basically like they're new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. On these Reflect Flow Pros, all you need to do is you want them out of the case so they're not charging, and you're going to just basically and they need to be turned on, but usually when you take them out of the case, they should turn on automatically. And what we're going to do here is we're going to come in and we're going to tap the back twice, and then we're going to tap it a third time, but hold it for 5 seconds when we do that. So it's going to look like this. Tap, tap, hold, 5 seconds. Once you do that, the earbuds will reset to their factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up basically like they're new earbuds.